Menteri jongkatnat klau James ke sangma haka jingle jengo eka East Jinte Hills haka nika sengi balang ula keno baki jaka kibami na ki karkhana dubilat kiduna baha ban penjabo ikiwa kibadan haki thainarpu ladai nujor bat kajing penjabo kibami na udoyong bat umotion ya kane ula penpau haka jingjurip ya ka algi pilot project jongka Trinity International Implex kabron hasuna perdi kabdeka project bat penku ya kawa luka Katkum ka jingong ju menteri ka jing jaklia kiwa aha ketika thain kadai na kadau ka jingti doyong bati emotion ha ka baki jaklia kiwan bantui chekiwa shushu ulong ru baki jaklia kibami bat bantui chekiwa kiban ki karkhana lele kilong tang khaniat ha ka baide berka algi pilot project ute menteri ka sarkar jela ulong bakane kadai ka model ka babyang bha badon kamru ka jing trelang bat kiwi kita ru khnang baki berugen tip ya ka borjung algi bat penku ya kiwa
Main reason for the pollution of these rivers is because of the coal mine, the acid mine drainage that takes place. Because this is where we have found out that the acidity levels they go up. There are certain effluents from industries, but I think those are there. But it is something that I feel compared to whatever acidity that flows into the rivers, it's relatively very less.
From the factories?
Correct. Yes, the State Pollution Control Board is actively involved in monitoring any kind of pollution or effluent that is being released from industries. That is being actively monitored. Obviously, the reason why the acidity is high is because of acid mine drainage, which is water which gets mixed up in the coal mine areas and then flows into the rivers. That is the reason why the acidity level is so high. There's precipitation from the fact that there are two tributaries that come and the place where confluence takes place. There water coming from the limestone areas mixing with the water coming from coal mine areas, the highly acidic with the highly alkaline. Then we have a lot of heavy metals that come about. So yes, it is a problem, all these things, but that is why we as a department are very keen at looking at how we can find remedies and solutions to these kind of challenges that are there. But yes, we have to see the larger picture and the long-term picture. So it cannot be just forest department or community coming forward and finding solutions to this. I think it has to be a concerted effort, and industries also must come forward and be more proactive towards these solutions and to also contribute to the healing process. That is very important. And to initiate this at the earliest, we are looking at preparing this for the other rivers. Then five or six rivers of them. Two, but in total, critical rivers, 5.
Hakan eka sengi la yoru eka jingpatai na uba daya perbha lamere ubre uskateri kinrush nong wa lukha association.
Ini marmi basam sini long ini kawa long tak na cement factory.
Kakta na ki cement factory na ni coal mines na.
Boro. Nama siti sa sini upstream mo kadang coal mining, limestone mining nangka don ki coke factories. Boro ti jabot one page. Kalong kani kom ga dustbin ki kani kama. Nangka ni dan kamu nandiang ka sarkar ban ai gafon namar gafon kadang te. Jangan penting ni kani kawa. Kan ngira aja memorandum lakin alat yang hilang pada skin naga MERPF Fund dan Italia Environment Restoration Protection Fund itu ni badan ke fund yang baga coal mining. Tapi itu ke fund untuk mentaruh tempat dibelas ke government ke ni dan mentah ya keturu banyak ya keturu fund marketnya ke wahi ke tak tangan ke jindon jong cement factory kata naga jindon jong yang seperti operasi jadi yang mentah ini expect ba ni onda ni layo tu pondro ke sentis kun kenaman ki long term solution ni kan te ngi long tangi don ke jingkerman ba sentis ni kan ba kan long kuit long pun ha kon trai long 2.5 nah tak ban komen semar ngam de expert te ke jing sing tu jonga kabadan ke jumentai kandon advantage kadon disadvantage kadon ini expect hu kum sang hu kan ba nin jena hilong man revive ya kan ba ya kata ke nin la ban komen semar ya ketu ni la hilong ba ke kubor macaro ni ye kitu di public hearing ni la persa ke onda ni la kular ni ban persa ya kini kiwa long punta mo ni te nin la ban komen la ka si ba mo ne manchen snam na ka daw jong ne ka daw kam covid-19 ni awan persa ya kene Dehaunya senam arjar arteri primat arteri kilawan ban pre ya kenyakam minta kelasnya tidak kini ki algipon hamne kidan hadu katsau dili ki algipon hamne mene la patai sarjin ke sama belum minister in charge ya forest environment minister tengi niliang ka kicnong hi badan harut dang kene ba ni semu sikade ya ka sarkar kajing sentia hadok di minister level hadok di district administration level but aku juga por ni senguro ya kini kicnang di badan hat ni kicnang supaya trilang ban ni ban kumno ban penim ban hadok paiba hadok di nom sasang ban trilang kumno ban penim ya kene ba namar ni bakal long la jandok ki te ngidan kam ya ka solution mo long term solution de ka short term solution te nisnya mu cikade mentag si lawan James ke sama kalau minister ban one page inspection ban one turip ya kene ka algipon badan nai nila brief cetang jong kene ka algipon kunu kan trikam scientist ki yetu ba ondala la kod jong slap monsun de kin pungkut na ya kene ka ba na kene ka algipon badan ne te kalong lakli ya ki scientist ki ong ka effective result kalong 100% ke semua ada ka ne ka ba ko 100% do kanu kalong ka jimentai yang ikinang sang badan hane ka ba tiba imja na kene ka ba tiba kwai na ka kidon kisnong tiba la promote tourism hane ka ba ki manta ki bon ki nang sang snang jeng ni bon ki na antara nang malastat bala pule ba ki kidon kam nam jam tourism ko ka sektor ka bala ai kam ai jam ha ya kana dan kita ni expect ba hadin kene ka lockdown kan kuno kinsna kum kini he sa arjaka kin station ko we ha lontang sang mat ko we ha pandare